It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 82. What is the value of limit as x approaches 3 from right-hand side f prime x minus 3? Right? Okay, as x approaches 3 from right-hand side, then what about x minus 3? What we have to do is we subtract 3 here, 3 here. So x minus 3 approaches 0, right? 3 minus 3, 0 from right-hand side, right? Let's say the value of x is 3.01 because x is approaching 3 from right-hand side. Then 3.01 minus 3, that's a positive 0.01, right? So we know that x minus 3 approaches 0 from right-hand side. Does that make sense? Then we have to find the limit. Limit of f prime x minus 3. Okay, remember f prime is the slope of tangent line to the graph of g. F, right? So as x minus 3 approaches 0 from right-hand side, what about the slope? Look at this function right here. This is line, right? If it's a line, slope is always constant, right? What is this slope? Rise over run. Rise, -2, run, +1. Slope is -2, right? Slope of this line is -2, right? -2. So this f prime x minus 3 approaches to -2. That's our answer.